The 2025 Land Cruiser comes with an extra-rain mode, which isn't advertised in the main settings. By holding the traction control button for 5 seconds in 4L low range, the vehicle unlocks an ultra-aggressive crawl control system, optimizing torque distribution for rock crawling and deep sand. The sleep mode for camping. Planning an overlanding trip? The 2025 Land Cruiser has a built-in sleep mode that keeps the climate control running at a set temperature using minimal battery, activates motion-sensing exterior lights for safety, maintains USB power for devices overnight. To activate it, press and hold the AC and recirculate buttons together for 3 seconds. Secret storage compartments. Toyota has cleverly hidden extra storage spots under the rear seats. Lift the seat base to find a waterproof compartment, perfect for tools or valuables. Behind the infotainment screen, a small slot for phones or documents. Push the screen forward gently. Enhanced multi-terrain monitor with night vision. The 360-degree camera system now includes a thermal imaging option, only available in certain trims. This helps spot animals or obstacles in complete darkness, ideal for remote expeditions. To enable it, shift into 4L low range. Press the camera button twice. Wireless charging with fast cool tech. The wireless charger has a built-in cooling fan to prevent overheating, something most competitors don't offer. If your phone gets too hot, the system automatically slows charging to protect the battery. Whisper mode for stealthy off-roading. Want to keep noise levels down while off-roading? The 2025 Land Cruiser has a whisper mode that reduces engine noise, softens throttle response, lowers HVAC fan speed. Activate it by pressing the drive mode selector and the mute button simultaneously. Self-recovery winch integration. Some high-end trims come with a hidden winch mount behind the front bumper. If your model doesn't have a factory winch, the wiring harness is pre-installed. Just plug and play. AI-powered predictive off-roading. The Land Cruiser's computer learns your driving habits over time and adjusts. Suspension damping. Traction control sensitivity. Gear shift patterns. The more you drive off-road, the better it adapts. Final thoughts. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser is more than just a tough SUV. It's packed with hidden tech and smart features that make it a true adventure companion. From secret off-road modes to clever storage hacks, this vehicle keeps surprising even the most experienced drivers. Did you know about these features? Let us know in the comments which one excites you the most. For more information, like and subscribe our channel.